Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom and welcome to another useful video for your Windows PC. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix game is not using your GPU. That means if you are playing a game that games but your graphics card, that means your GPU is not utilized properly. So I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. First of all, right click the start option here, and here go to the settings option. And after that, select the system option here. And here you can see the option display. Click that display option and scroll down. And here you can see graphics setting. Click that option. And this is the application right now is added to my graphics settings. You can also browse for your games, to browse to add the games that you want to play, and select the browse option here. And suppose I'm gonna use this one. This is the game. Suppose just click it and select add. And now if I want to make this game high preference graphics, so just click this option here and click high performance and select save. And that is mean if you open the game right now, after doing all of this, your game will perform in a high performance level. That means your GPU will give all the attention to that game. So in this way you can fix the problem. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel. It will help me a lot. I will see you guys in the next video.